Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am show how to download and install latest version Python in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's start my video. In the first step I will show how to download latest version Python 3.11.3 in your PC. After that I am explain how to install it. So let's start my video. So I am use Chrome browser for downloading setup file. You can use your favorite browser and in the Chrome search bar type Python download. After searching, several websites will be open. You can just click on the first website python.org. After clicking, we have come to the python.org official website homepage. Here you can see latest version Python 3.11.3 will be available. You can just click on the download Python 3.11.3. After clicking, your download will be started and wait few seconds when your download completed. So our download completed and go to our download folder and see the next step how to install Python latest version. We have come to our download folder and here you can see latest version Python setup file will be available. Simply double click on it and run setup file. After running setup file, first window will be appear here and here you simply click on the add path python.exe to the path. Check this box and simply click on the install button. After clicking, your installation will be started and wait few seconds when your installation completed. Our installation successfully completed. So simply click on the close button and after that open our Python IDE which is the free Python IDE. So simply click on and open Python IDE and write your Python program into the Python and simply click on the enter button to print our output. If you want to run multiple line Python code in IDE, so simply click on the file menu and new file and write your Python program here and after that simply click on the run button to run Python programs. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.